Open Photoshop, let's paint the sky. Illustrator makes the colors fly. InDesign for the perfect page. Figma Flow set the stage. Click that tool, make it shine. Every pixel, every line. Brush it up, set the tone. Create a masterpiece of your own. Design the world, make it bold. Creativity, let it unfold. From Coral Draw to After Effects, every stroke connects. Blender brings the 3D vibe. Canvas here to simplify. Affinity keeps it smooth and clean. Procreate for the tablet scene. Click that tool, make it shine.